Well, here we are with another cold start. I don't know why you guys like it, but you guys like cold starts. I'm not a fan. We have a secret weapon for this one. Just gonna leave that right there for now. Have not tried to start it yet. All I've done is put a battery into it and hook up the booster. As you can hear, it's charging. Now this one is a manual, so I am gonna have to use this stick to depress the clutch so I can turn it over and spray ether. I don't know why you guys like cold starts, but it's quite apparent that you guys love cold starts. So let's get another one underway. Now this is a 2003, 2004, maybe a 2001 diesel Jetta TDI, and it's -16, -21 with the wind chill. So let's see if we can get this thing to go. I'm going to put my gloves back on because it is cold. So first things first, let's push down the clutch pedal. Okay, so clutch is depressed. Let's see if she'll turn over. No, she's not even turning over. Doesn't even sound like we have power. Okay, so it turns over. Make sure that we got this thing on there good. I really don't think this thing's going to even turn over fast enough. I got the battery charger on there. It says it's got good volts. I don't even know if the glow plugs work in this thing. The battery connection is smoking. That does not look like a good sign. He's got 3 wires going in all into one there. I don't think this thing's gonna start. I think I'm just gonna melt the wires out of it. Yeah, something tells me this thing's not going to start. Maybe the booster cables that are catching on fire. It overloaded my... I don't think this thing's going to start. This is a waste of time is what it is. Okay. I've eliminated the booster cables because they're drawing too much power. I have the positive vice grip on there. I have the negative with a hardened file from the negative to the top of the block. I'm just going to jam that in there really good. I have power inside the car. Let's see if she turns over. Nope. That's turning over better than it was before. Let's put some quick start into her. That file's turning red! Look at it go! Look at that file! Oh my god, it just melted. The file just melted. Okay, we need something a little bit more intense than this file. Let's see if I can find something else. Maybe a bigger file. So I don't think my issue is with voltage. I think it's with cold cranking amps right now. So what we're trying to do, we're definitely trying to jimmy rig this like you wouldn't believe. We're just trying to get a good connection for the negative here. Let's spray some quick start just to see if this will go. I don't know if the glow plugs work in this or not. So just to be safe, we're just going to use quick start as our glow plug. You ready? No, come on, you make good connection. There we go! Oh my God! It's running! It's not even smoking! Oh my God! Let's see if I can do this here now. Try that again. No, I need to make it so that I can try to drive it. Of course I'm going to try to drive it. Okay, so I want this gone. I want this gone. This is unreal, this car start. Just to show you guys how cold it is, the shifter is frozen. I'm just bending it. We're gonna try to start this thing again now. Push in the clutch. Oh. I am actually very amazed how this thing started up like that. It is so cold, I do not want to keep messing around with it. My toes are going numb, and I'm just about ready to call it a day. But it actually started a lot better than I thought it would. I thought there'd be like a massive amounts of black smoke. Kind of let me down how nice it started. Other than the battery issue, you need like 3 batteries to start this damn thing. But it started up. Fortunately, the first shifter's frozen, so we can't take it for a drive. But I don't know, maybe we can do a couple other cold starts. But honestly, I'm getting tired of it. I'm cold. No more cold starts.